Lubricating steel wire ropes has always been a tough, messy, and inefficient task. Manual greasing often fails to penetrate deep into the strands, leaving ropes vulnerable to wear and corrosion. But not anymore. Introducing the Wire Rope Lubricator, a semi-automatic system that delivers high-pressure lubrication right to the core of the cable. No disassembly, no downtime. Used here on a dry dock ship lift, it protects the rope, extends its life, and keeps operations running smoothly. Wire Rope Lubricator. Reliable, efficient, and built to last.